This retarded. I just been getting it in here.
Look, I've been on the road for days. Man, I just been chasing plays. Don't worry about the moves I make, because I think ahead, I promise you, baby. I ain't tryna be no superstar, but I still shoot for stars. I've been on my grind, I get it in. I can't take no loss, I'm tryna win. I've been getting to this money, baby, so don't feel funny, I ain't out here faking. I had to fall back, I can't let you snake me, cause I ain't got no time.
Yo, man, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Just first time tuning in, man, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me right now. Up with Jones, man. Y'all on a good channel, man. We got a package in today, y'all. Let's see what we got here. Get it open for y'all. Sit y'all down right quick. Excuse the bike. Excuse everything, man. We gotta not wash the bike up yet or nothing. Just got the new headlights in, y'all. Man, this pack is nice. These headlights come from Southern Metalworks, as y'all can see right there. Take that out for y'all. I'm doing the free advertisement. That's who made these headlights right there. I actually ordered them off of Etsy through Facebook. This the company right here. Been a pretty well packaged. Come with Allen wrench. Guessing that's what we're gonna use to install. I'm not sure what this light here for. Let me sit y'all down one more time. Sent the LED light. I'm not sure exactly what that's for. Let me see. My guess, this LED light probably is for my top headlight. But there's only one. You don't have one in this package. pretty good fab work. And I'm guessing this one gonna go on this side. Alright, man. Guess we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. I got y'all all crooked and stuff. Sorry about that. Y'all sitting crooked back here. Y'all ain't tell me nothing. Y'all just sitting there. Blaming on me, huh? Let's see. Sit y'all up a little bit. Get y'all a chair to sit on so y'all be comfortable, man. Make yourselves at home. Cool. Alright, man. Y'all stay tuned. About to go ahead get this installed on these headlights. Oh yeah, before I take them out, man, for those of you that don't know, this is the factory headlights, like all the other Hondas. One of them gonna leak. That one leaked. This is how my headlights look right now. So y'all get a little bit forward. That's all I got. And then got a light bar. That's the way I've been seeing. Since all I got is one light, and they get covered with mud. But stay tuned.
Dino killing the beat.
Y'all can see, got the headlights off, got the new ones on. Pretty easy install, man. Southern Metal Works. I lost the card, but it's on the picture, and y'all seen it at the beginning of the video. Y'all hit Jeremy up, man. I want to say that's his name. Don't get mad if I'm wrong. I think it's Jeremy though. I messaged him. He stayed in touch with me. The lights was a little delayed. I'm not sure the reason. They did come a little late, but it was worth the wait. They look real good. Great price. It wasn't like the mother lights that's $300 something. I think I only paid $150 for these. And I want to say at the time when I ordered them, the website had a 30% off sale. Cause I think they like $170 something for regular price. So I think I got a little discount, but I think they look pretty good, man. Like I said, this is the stock lights. That's the best looking one. That's the one that was still in good shape. It wasn't leaking. But this one, I want to say the second ride I made on this bike, it was leaking. It was just like that from the second time I rode the bike and went in water. So I mean, every time I ride, y'all know we putting it to the test. We sending it, putting that snorkel down deep. But man, it's still dirty from the other day when I went to Zona. If you haven't already checked that video out, man, go tap in with that. Check that video out, man. Pretty straight. There y'all go right there, man. And for those of you wondering about the install, there it is. Them 4 little screws, 1, 2. You got another one up there. And another one right here. That one. Let's see if I can get y'all in there. You got one right there. One right there. One right there. One right there. 4 screws. and each side of the light got Allen heads. He actually sent a Allen wrench with the lights to adjust it. You just loosen this up and you can slide it in or out, and you can rotate the light up or down to get it to, you know, shine where you want it to shine. It's not just stuck in one position, which is a good thing because I had to adjust them down a little bit. But he also sent the wire pretty long with it, which is good because I got it up out the way. I actually took it and zip tied them up to here, both of them, brought them together and zip tied them up top. But yeah, man, pretty simple install. Nice clean look. Look like good metal, good product. I just went with the gloss black because I didn't want to do red and have too much red at the front of the bike. The black, nice, simple, clean look for me. I think it looked pretty good. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments, man. We still got the light bar up top. If these lights are pretty good, which I think they would be, I'm gonna try it out tonight. And matter of fact, I'm not even gonna end this vlog yet. Once it get dark tonight, I'm gonna come back outside again, turn the lights on, and show y'all how far they shine at night. Cause this field right here be pretty dark at night, so I'll just park the bike out here. Once it get dark, turn the lights on, see, you know, how far it shine. They seem pretty good. I mean, I know for sure they way better than these. Now we just gotta see how they hold up with water, cause we going underwater. I'm gonna put some dielectric grease on the ends. I haven't did it yet, but I will be dielectric greasing the plugs just to make sure. Man, we about to spray this baby off, get her back clean. And for those of you that's wondering about the setup, we got a 2-inch lift. This is a 2019 Foreman 500 solid rear axle. And we on 31-inch Outlaw 3s with a 16-inch MSA B-lock wheel. The tires have been cut, grooved, scooped, whatever you want to call it. They do pretty good. I don't know, Zona is the only place I never really rode it. I rode it at Mudfest, but I ain't really hit no holes. I had my baby with me. But at Zona, the sand was kind of soft, and it was kind of digging down. So I can't really give y'all a review on these tires yet until I go ride somewhere else in some actual mud. I'll tell y'all how they do in the mud. And then Zona, some days you go out there, the sand real soft. Some days it's a little harder. So I'm gonna see next time I go back, or if I go ride somewhere else before then. I should be riding, probably gonna ride Zona again soon. And then at the end of this month, Mud Life hosting a big event. Y'all make sure y'all come. I want to say it's May 20 something, Trails and Tales. I post a flyer in the video. Y'all go ahead and add Mud Life on Facebook, man. Keep up with all the latest rides. BDK off-road. I can't think of all the mud groups that I'm in, but Mud Life is my main group that I'm in. Y'all keep up with it, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna get y'all some footage tonight. Get y'all a little B-roll. Y'all can watch me wash this thing up. Skip forward if you don't want to see that, to see how the lights shine at night.
Dino killing the beat.
Okay, man, it done got dark outside. I just tried to do it in the field. The lights are pretty bright. I like them, but the camera quality is not showing as good out in the field. So I'm gonna do it under the couple. I'm gonna turn this bright light off so y'all can see actually how dark it is out here, and then I'm gonna turn the lights on the bike, and you'll see. You know, I'm gonna show y'all with the light bar too also. So let me show y'all. That's how dark it is out here. Cannot see me. So all you can see is this headlight. Well, what you wanna call this, the dash? But that's okay. That's the just the headlights by itself. Shine. Okay, so without them, can't see nothing. Camera ain't picking up nothing. With the headlights, you can see pretty good. Like I said, so none of y'all think I'm trying to make the lights look good. That's only headlights. That's it. Just the headlights. Now, headlights and light bar, they shine like that. We pretty lit up. I think this is a good purchase. So that's straight headlights. That's shining how my truck lights shine, basically. You might can't see it too good in the video, but that's about the same vision I get from headlights on my truck. Almost. Truck might shine a little farther. But that's light bar. No light bar. You can see the light bar is actually like a white color. The headlights. The headlights is more like a blue color. See? I think we made a good purchase, man. That's pretty decent. Can't complain. They look better than stock lights, and they also got a brightness to them. So, with that being said, I feel like we made a good purchase. Y'all need some headlights for y'all Hondas. I think that's all he's making right now. I'm not sure. I didn't see any other lights on the website, but Hondas, I know for sure. Y'all got a Honda, man, go ahead and get these lights from Southern Metal Works. Jeremy, holler at him. Get you some ordered. Like I said, it was, I want to say 150 to 170. I know they wasn't over 200. Maybe 180. Not sure. But I know they got, not to knock nobody else's product, but they got the Hayes Fabs out there. And another company that makes them also. Pretty much the same light to me, if you ask me. I know somebody with the Hayes Fabs, and this about the exact same as his shine, and he has 2 LED light bars on his. I just got 1 light bar for my headlight, the little mini light bar. He got 2 mini light bars, and I don't think he'll shine further than this. I think they shine about the same, but I know he paid, if not 300, it wasn't no less than 280. I think those lights are like 300, 350, something like that. But not to knock nobody product, like I said. If Hayes Fabs is for you, or whoever else make them, you know, with all, go get them. I ain't stopping you from getting them. But I'm just putting this out here. This is another great product, half the price. And if any of you were scared to get it because of the price was so cheap, here go the results right here. Y'all see it's easy install. I didn't do nothing special to install these lights. I bolted them up straight where the factory light came from, and plug and play. Plug them into the factory harness, and they turn straight on. So I have y'all a review again. Well, y'all stay tuned to the next vlog. Next time y'all see this bike, it'll probably be underwater. So we'll see how the lights last then. But so far, no complaints. Like I said, your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the future videos, man. Yes, sir.